Hello, I'm Dee Woolridge, award-winning author, international speaker, and success coach. I'm also a certified clinical hypnotherapist. And a common question I get is, are there common reasons why people hire a life coach? And the answer is yes. Most people find that things start to happen very quickly after hiring a life coach. You begin to gain confidence, insight, and you have permission to move beyond your comfort zone. Here is a short list of why people hire a life coach: to fulfill personal and emotional needs, to identify core values and passions, to get your mojo back or find your passion, to help build healthy relationships or letting go of old ones that don't serve you, to set and achieve high objectives, for career or life planning and transitioning, to build confidence, self-esteem, and a positive mindset, to clear emotional and mental clutter, for financial security and independence, to learn healthy coping skills, to find a work-life balance, and to make key decisions and design strategies for success, and so much more. If you like more information, you can find it on my website. I'm Dee Woolridge, author, speaker, coach, and certified clinical hypnotherapist.